Hello, welcome to my magic library. My name is Tom. I'm here to bring you a very informal tutorial. This one is a quirky trick, not a quirky trick, but a corky trick. I know, stupid pun. Anyway, I'm going to show you how one cork can magically penetrate another cork. Now, why is that so impossible? Well, it's impossible because in physics we know that one object cannot penetrate another object. So if we interlock our fingers like this, blow, they actually penetrate each other. So again, this is not a reputation maker. This is a very informal tutorial to teach you something that is more nostalgic than it is amazing. Why is it nostalgic? Because my father, Jerry Interval, he was a professional photographer in the 1970s and 80s and 90s. He died in 2006, and this is why I'm dedicating this to him. He taught it to me probably around 1981, actually. And so the way he did it,